Hi there, I'm Phil, Head of Research at Moralis, and welcome back to the second edition in our Ecosystems Overview section. Here we go over Moralis-powered chains that are perfect for new blockchain developers to get going on. And if you're an experienced blockchain developer, you're going to be happy with the Moralis tools we have at your disposal. So let's take a look at that first as we explore Chiliz Chain. So as mentioned in the introduction, Chiliz Chain is fully supported by the Moralis development suite of tools and APIs. This includes the NFT API, Token API, Wallet API, Blockchain API, and Streams API. Together, this suite of APIs provides the perfect solution for developing on Chiliz Chain. And as we can see, Chiliz Chain is continuing to iterate on its original concept. So what is that concept? Let's dig into it a little bit together. As we know from the official Chiliz webpage, Chiliz is building the Web3 infrastructure for sports and entertainment. What this means is that Chiliz provides a way, using blockchain, to interact with your favorite football team. Now, other sports may be added in the future as well, but even already, we have 2 million users, over 82 different fan tokens, and 150 plus global partners. The Socios network that we're going to take a look at in a minute provides the venue for fan interaction. The asset CHZ is used to pay for gas on the network, so that'll be an important asset if you plan to develop within Chiliz. Before we keep going, just a few technicals on Chiliz Chain. So the legacy chain used a proof of authority mechanism in order to provide security for the network. But the current version uses a proof of staked authority mechanism, providing staking options for CHZ holders. This is in addition to any options they may have with fan tokens that we'll get into here in a little bit. The fan token exchange is our next destination, where we can take a look at some of the options there. Now, if you're looking to build on Chiliz Chain, we'll talk about that a little bit too, as there's a lot of resources available for developers within the ecosystem. And that's in addition to the Moralis APIs and tools that we talked about. Moving to Socios, we find an active marketplace where many elements of different clubs and teams are celebrated and allow for fan interaction using the tokens. Things like rewards for fan token holders, speculating on the value of fan tokens themselves, and even options to attain merchandise and collectibles are all possible through Socios. In order to get started, there's an app that users need to download. This is an example of what's already live courtesy of the main development team on Socios, but it's far from the potential of the network, which we're going to get into here next. Now, while Socios provides the main fan interaction portal for holders of fan tokens, the main portal for exchange of fan tokens is found at chiliz.net, i.e. the Chiliz X fan token exchange. Here we can see the value of fan tokens versus CHZ in many different situations. In fact, some of those assets are also traded against USDT, as we can see here. A list of the biggest gainers and biggest losers is also provided, allowing fans to not only participate in the holding of fan tokens, but also potentially earn from the trading of them. Finally, we're brought to Chiliz Labs. Chiliz Labs, as it mentions here, is an accelerator program, providing resources and funds to teams looking to develop within the space. Furthermore, we have a breakdown of some of the leaders within the team, partners associated with Chiliz Chain, as well as a curated list of project ideas, all designed to spark your interest in developing on Chiliz Chain, while also spotlighting some of the unique features. If you're interested in becoming a partner, an application form is provided. Lastly, we're brought to the Chiliz Block Explorer. This is the main location for viewing everything that's going on the Chiliz blockchain. Even now, we can see new blocks populating and new transactions coming in as people participate in the network, trading fan tokens, and eventually building new experiences for token holders. With so much on Chiliz Chain so far, it's already an exciting and vibrant ecosystem to participate in, especially if you're a football fan. But what about other sports? And furthermore, what about other degrees of interaction? Could you perhaps take a few different fan tokens and put them in a pool together to create some kind of fan derivative token? Perhaps that idea, or one of the ones listed in the ideas page, is something that you'd like to iterate on. If so, we encourage you to start with Moralis to set yourself up for success as you build within this exciting new ecosystem. When developing on Chiliz Chain, let Moralis be your partner in success. Whether you're interested in building fan engagement platforms, marketing NFT merchandise, developing games, or even exploring fantasy leagues, all of this and more is possible within Chiliz Chain. Try it out today.